Two boys were walking down the street late at night and found a bag.
Oh, look, there's the bag.
Can you see the owner?
No, I can't.
I can see it too.
The way I see it, we have to open it.
That's a good point.
They came near the bag and stopped.
If only there were a lot of money in it.
They slowly opened the bag and looked into it. Believe it or not, but in the bag they found a fairy girl.
Between you and me, let's sell her.
I can hear you. I'm fairy, so do you want me to make your wish true?
Fairy jumped out from the bag.
I wish I had a lot of food.
The first wish have done.
Fairy snapped and suddenly two huge Martian cheeseburgers appeared around the corner. Cheeseburger slowly marched away and disappeared in the end of the street, while boys were watching and shocked on this show.
And how do you suggest us to eat it?
So, what's about your second wish?
I wish I had a car, an exclusive car.
Okay, what do you think about it?
And the moment found a tractor with Deutsche Bahn logo fall from the sky.
I know what you mean. It's really very exclusive, but I want a normal car.
Okay, it's easy. Normal as normal. Here you are.
Fairy gave them small normal toy car and smiled with the thought in the eyes.
Sorry guys, I forgot to say to you that my magic is incorrect. Besides, what do you think why I sat in the bag?
Fairy disappeared.
Between you and me, you were right. If only we saw this fairy as soon as we found her in this bag.
Of course I was right. Yeah.
Hooray!